In this video, we're going to compare a traditional 401k to a Roth 401k, and then I'll give you my opinion on which one is better. Now, the first difference between a traditional 401k and a Roth 401k is the tax treatment that each of these get. With a traditional 401k, your contributions are made with pre-tax dollars. So in other words, you contribute to a traditional 401k before taxes are taken out of your paycheck. But with a Roth 401k, the contributions are made with after-tax dollars. And a simple way of looking at this is that your contributions to a Roth 401k are made with money from your paycheck after the taxes have already been taken out. Another major difference between a traditional 401k and a Roth 401k is how withdrawals are treated in retirement. You see, with a traditional 401k, you'll have to pay taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. In other words, if you take out $5,000 a month out of your traditional 401k in retirement, you're gonna have to pay taxes on that $5,000. But with a Roth 401k, you'll pay no taxes on your withdrawals because you already paid taxes when you contributed the money. So if your Roth 401k balance is $1 million at 65 years old, you can literally withdraw that entire $1 million and not owe a penny in taxes on it. Now, here's why I personally think a Roth 401k is better than a traditional 401k. The first reason is that with a traditional 401k, the tax rate is unknown. So for example, if you're 35 years old and you're not retiring for another 30 years, who really knows what the tax rate is gonna be in 30 years? And most experts actually think the tax rate is gonna be higher in the future. Now, the second reason I think a Roth 401k is better is because of the emotional benefit. Simply put, a Roth 401k has no surprises. So if you had a Roth 401k with $1 million, that entire $1 million is yours in retirement to keep. But if you had that same $1 million in a traditional 401k, who knows how much you'll owe in taxes? It could be 20%, 30%, 35%. No one really knows. And that's what I'm referring to when I'm talking about the emotional benefit of a Roth 401k. And I do want to mention that financial coaching is available through the Stan Store link in my bio, and here is the URL.